So Glenn, thank you for joining me again
You're
as we
welcome.
talk about the SureWave line of products. The most feature-rich SureWave switch has to be the CM332. This is a 2-relay model with a load of features built in. Why does Camden offer a 2-relay version of a touchless switch?
Well, the reason we developed this particular model was because in speaking with our customers, we found out that sometimes they were taking a SureWave or a wave switch and using that in conjunction with a switching network or a make-break relay or something that would allow them to activate 2 outputs,
Right, so
like a strike and an operator, or sequencing 2 different doors. And so we thought, why not build that right into the unit itself?
So what's a couple of applications you might have for using 2 relays? You spoke about controlling a door operator with an indicator. That's a pretty common one.
Certainly, right off the bat, I can think of a situation with an electric strike and a door operator. You have to activate the strike before signaling the operator, so that adjustable delay is built into the unit. That's one application. Another application would be sequencing. So upon activating the wave switch, you want to open one door and then after an adjustable delay, signal the second door. Another application for this would be where you set it up as a toggle, so almost like a light switch. So when you wave your hand, it activates a lock or the door, and then you wave your hand a second time to release.
So on-off kind of functionality.
Exactly. And I could use one relay for the lock or the door operator, and the second relay for an annunciator or some other activation device.
Is this product unique in the marketplace?
It is. There's no other product in the market that has the 2 relay output plus the versatility in how to set it up.
I understand you can also use a plug-in wireless transmitter with the product?
So all of our products actually have the ability to plug in a laser point transmitter. It actually, believe it or not, will send 2 signals, one immediate and then one after an adjustable delay. Right. And that's how you do your door sequencing wirelessly.
And it's laser point technology. The laser point family includes not only touchless switches, of course, but also wall switch transmitters and fobs and even a keypad. And the light ring option, is that available on all different size faceplates?
Light ring option is available on stainless steel in either single or double gang size faceplates.
Or the now just added, the new 6-inch round.
Yeah, that's correct.
Great. Glenn, thank you very much for taking time with me today.
You're welcome.
Take care.
Okay.